Hi, my name's Gareth Beverley. I'm the Managing Director of Consortic. Consortic have been around for 8 years and we are drone enablers. We combine consultancy, training and flying to develop what we call a drone enterprise blueprint for our clients. And it's our mission to get our clients to fly 1 million drone flights.
Hi, I'm Michael. I'm the Strategy and Operations Manager at Skyports. Skyports is a two-part business. We have a long-time horizon infrastructure business that focuses on the VTOL market and a beyond visual line of sight drone services business that services blue-chip companies and governments around the world in delivery, survey and surveillance. Yeah, so our goal for the future is to set up everyday, permanent, recurring drone delivery operations offshore. We plan to deliver cash, documents, small parts and samples, both into field, ship to ship, and to offshore assets themselves.
So my name is Ed DeReyes. I'm with Saberwing Aircraft. I'm the CEO and chairman. I'm here at the conference to talk about our product, which is the Rigel drone. And we are the makers of the world's best-in-class cargo drone. We can carry our small aircraft, which has a 30-foot wingspan, can carry 2,200 pounds vertically and 3,500 pounds conventionally. And our larger product, which is the Rigel B or Bravo, can carry 5,400 pounds vertically and 10,000 pounds conventionally. It has the largest cargo bay, even when compared to the newer Cessna aircraft. It can fly at 1,000 nautical miles, at up to 240 knots in cruise, as high as 27,000 feet. And it truly is the best in class. We are preparing to go into production here shortly within the next 3 months to start producing aircraft for deliveries by the end of the year and certification hopefully by the end of 2024.